Okay, and now last part is putting in the slats, the mattress slats. Okay,
Oh,
it's filming.
She just handed me
It's
the
filming.
camera and I put my hand in front of it.
That's all right.
Okay, here's this beautiful bunk bed. And here are the slats. Ellie's
You need
hammering the
60?
slats in. We have to have 60
60
little nails to put it in. This is where, I don't know who's going to sleep up here, Nicole or Dottie. We'll see. But the ladder, now I'm going to show you the ladder. The ladder's not, I couldn't climb up this. I mean, I could, but it's not going to be comfortable. This is how they have the ladder, straight up and down on the side of the bed. But we've got other ladders that are slanted that will make it easier to climb up. You'll see. Now we clean the drawers that are on the side, and I put in beautiful paper liners, which I will show you now. Here's a drawer, and look at that liner. Isn't that pretty?
Can you push against this
Okay.
wood here, right here? Push
Yeah,
against
she
that.
wants me to push against the wood.
Push.
Here, right here?
Yes,
Okay.
push.
I'm pushing. That's my hand. Where's
Push.
my hand? Pushing. Yeah.
Push a little more.
Okay. It's pushed so hard the bed's tilting.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
These aren't aligned very well. It's not aligned with the
I have to fix up the alignment of the
hole.
little nails that go in. They're special nails that hold it together. Once she gets this one, then I'll hand her another one, and I'll show you what the little nails look like. This is quite a project.
It's not going in the hole.
It's not going in? Okay, I'm going to go over here. This is turning over toward the desk, which is on the other side. This is the other side of the room. And this is where we have the supplies. And these are the little nails down here in the bag. The little plastic, long plastic nails, about 1.5 inches or 2 inches long. They're like this.
Gotta push
Okay.
to get them in.
Now let me take a hand.
Please.
Oops, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go so fast. And I will push to make it easier for her to put that, to line up the hole to put the nail in. And this will be the spare room where
A little bit more.
Rocky and
Push.
Dottie and Nicole are Rocky
Push.
too. I'm pushing.
Yeah.
I'm pushing.
That's
okay.
it.
Yeah, she got it. There. You'll be able to do it. Okay, I'll show you the rest of the room right now. There's the air conditioning vent up above the bed, and I've taken the front part out
Need
to
another
clean it
slat,
really
please.
nice and clean.
Slat,
Okay,
please.
okay, let me get her another slat.
Just
Over
grab it.
here. I don't want to make them dizzy by going too fast. Here's another slat.
I will need a bunch of them more. So.
I'll get a bunch more slats. Okay, once around the room, and then I'm going to turn it off so that that's the bathroom in there. We'll have that all nice and neat and clean. The desk in the corner now has the moose head up on it, which we will put out in the carport.
Okay, you're going to
because
keep pushing.
I don't
here,
think you're
please.
going to need the moose head in here. Susie's old computer desk. And the door. That's it. Cupboards over here for it to hang your clothes up, which you won't have many clothes to hang up, I'm sure. And the window with another little AC in it, which we have a central AC on, so you don't need that on. And back around here to the bed. Now, I'm going to let Ellie turn off the video.
Press on the
Press on the what?
on the this thing facing you.
Facing me. Okay, I'm going to press on something.